Hello dear student, today we are going to discuss exercise 3E question number 3. The question is express the following recurring decimal as fraction. So the part 1 of the question number 3 is 0.3 dot. So to convert this into a fraction, stepwise we will try to understand. So first step what you will do, you will write let x is equal to 0.3 dot. As I have already taught you what is the meaning of this. The meaning of this is x is equal to 0.3 dot means 0.3333 dot dot and so on. So suppose that this is equation number 1, and what you will do to convert, the second step is you can see that after decimal place one digit, one number is repeating. So what you will do in this, you will multiply this equation 1 by 10. Why we are multiplying? Because only one number of decimal place is repeating. So you will write multiplying 1 by 10. So what you will do? Both sides you will multiply 10x, and here it will be, when you will multiply this, the decimal place shift one place forward. Then this becomes 3.33 and so on. Equation number 2.
Start.
Now, so this will becomes 10x is equal to 3.333 like this. Now subtract equation number 1 by 2. So here in short form you can also write like this, 2 minus 1. So how to subtract equation 1 from equation 2? Left hand side will be subtracted from the left hand side, and the right hand side will be subtracted from right hand. So 10x minus 1x, that will give you 9x. एंड व्हेन यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 3.33 में से जब ये माइनस करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, लाइक दिस यू कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 3.333 डॉट डॉट 2 एंड 0.333 लाइक दिस, देन यू विल गेट 3 point like this. So here you can 3.00 means only 3. So x is equal to, it is multiplied from, then 3 by 9. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 1 by 3. So this way you can do to convert this recurring decimal as fraction. Now let us take one more example. So you can see this number 0.13 dot. So before this we will do this one. In first part you have seen that after decimal place one decimal was repeating, one place was repeating. Here you can see that the bar is on the 2 number. So the same process we will follow. Let x is equal to 0.17 bar. So it means that implies that x is equal to 0.1717. ये दोनों पे बार है, इसका मतलब ये 1717 रिपीट कर रहा है, डॉट डॉट ऐसे कर देंगे. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, सिंस यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद 2 नंबर रिपीट कर रहा है, तो अब आप 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग 1 by 100. So what you will get, this is 100x and this is 17.1717 dot. Equation number 2. Again the same thing we will do, 2 minus 1, then you will get 100 minus x, that is 99. X is equal to, this is 17, then x is equal to 17 upon 99. This is your answer. Whenever the 2 number repeats just after decimal, then you will multiply it by 100. Now let us see the last part of the question. See here, again you will write let x is equal to 0.13 dot. It means that x is equal to 0.13333 dot 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 and so on. What we can see here, we can see here just after decimal place there is 1 and it is not repeating, the next number is repeating. So to convert this one, first of all we will try to shift this decimal to there, from there the number is repeating. इस डेसिमल को हम वहां तक ले जाएंगे जहां से नेक्स्ट नंबर रिपीट कर रहा है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसमें हम इक्वेशन नंबर 1 मान लेंगे. अब 1 को हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. क्यों करेंगे? बिकॉज हम ये चाहते हैं कि डेसिमल वहां चला जाए जहां से नंबर रिपीट कर रहा है. तो लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 1, देन इट बिकम्स 10x is equal to 1.33 and so on. Equation number 2. Now again multiply equation number 2 by 10, then it will gives you 100x and it will be 13.333 and so on. Equation number 3rd. Now third minus second, 100 minus 10, that will give you 90x and this will give you 12 and x is equal to 12 upon 90. Now you can simplify it. 2 6 ja 12, 2 45 times, 2 3 ja, sorry, it will be not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 15 ja 45, it is 2 by 15. This is your answer. सो आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो के साथ. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए. चिल्ड्रेन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.